Hello friends! Today we are diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and exploring one of the most popular platforms, the MEXC Crypto Exchange. In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily complete the registration process, how to fund your account and start trading, and of course I will provide a full review of this exchange's features, so you can use it to the fullest. Don't forget that the registration link is already waiting for you in the video description, and if you enter the promo code that you see on the screen right now, you will get access to exclusive bonuses. Make yourselves comfortable, it's going to be interesting. Let's go! MEXC Global is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, launched in 2018. Over the years, the platform has not only significantly expanded the range of services offered and set a record for the number of available trading assets, but also earned the trust of millions of users from over 100 countries. The platform definitely has many advantages. For example, a huge selection of assets, the ability to trade with leverage up to 200, a copy trading function, and numerous tools for additional earnings. Your first visit to the website begins with registration. Here, just like on many other online resources, the process takes only a few minutes. What you need to do: go to the MEXC Crypto Exchange website, find the Sign Up button in the upper right corner and click on it. A special field will open where you can choose the registration method by mobile phone number or email address. Choose the most convenient option. Enter your email or phone number, solve the verification CAPTCHA, and check the box indicating that you agree to the privacy policy and have read it. A confirmation will be sent to your email or phone number, after which you can return to the website, enter your login, phone or email, and password. Thus, after registration, each user receives access to their personal account where some functions will be available, such as changing the password, adding or editing personal data, completing identity verification, KYC, updating the mobile phone number, generating API keys, locking the account. I would like to recommend our Telegram channel to you. There, you will find the latest news on various coins, including meme coins. We also invite experts to live streams where they provide trading advice. Plus, we have a trading chat where every member of the community shares their successes and trading signals. So if you're looking for a reliable trading community, join our Telegram. The link is in the description. The MEXC Cryptocurrency Exchange cares about the security of its users. That's why additional security layers are used: two-factor authentication, 2FA, and identity verification, KYC. What this means: two-step security process. The first step is entering the password that was created during registration, and the second step is entering the code that is sent via SMS. Verification is identity confirmation, which is required to withdraw funds. What you need to do to complete verification: click the identity verification button in your personal account. Select the country where you live and enter your full name. Choose a document type to verify your identity. This can be a passport or driver's license. A photo is required. Take a photo of the document, all pages if it's a passport booklet. Submit the data for a review by clicking the Submit button. You can fund your account in two ways: via transfers from other wallets and platforms or through P2P trading. You can deposit funds into MEXC from another cryptocurrency wallet. Select Deposit, enter the ticker of the required coin in the search bar, find the correct network, and generate a deposit address. Then, copy it or scan the QR code and complete the transaction. Make sure that the selected network matches the network of the platform from which you are transferring funds. If you choose the wrong network, you may lose your funds permanently. MEXC P2P is a peer-to-peer marketplace that allows you to trade digital assets directly with other users, choosing the necessary fiat currency, price, and payment method. The platform essentially works like a crypto exchange, with the only difference being the presence of an escrow service, which in this case is provided by the exchange itself. P2P transactions on MEXC are available only to verified users. Spot trading is the process of immediate buying and selling of cryptocurrency, with payment on the spot. Spot trading uses only the assets you own, without leverage or margin. This means lower profit potential, but also lower risk. Margin trading involves making transactions using borrowed funds, which allows traders to access larger capital through leverage. Crypto derivatives trading on MEXC includes coin margin futures, USDT margin futures, and options. These are contracts reflecting the value of the underlying cryptocurrency. Leverage up to 200 increases capital efficiency, but can also lead to significant losses or complete loss of funds. Copy trading allows users to automatically copy the trades of other traders. Staking MEXC supports flexible and fixed staking. In the first case, you can withdraw funds at any time, while in the second, you lock your assets for a set period. Kickstarter, a pre-listing stage where a project initiates a vote for its listing on MEXC and distributes free tokens to all participants. MEXC Launchpad, a platform for launching new crypto projects through MEXC token holders. Airdrop Plus, complete deposit and trading tasks to win various prizes. For user convenience, the exchange has two applications, one for mobile phones and one for personal computers. Users of Android and iOS can download the special app from the store or via a link from the official website. If you choose the desktop browser version, it ensures uninterrupted exchange operation on your device. Well friends, now you know everything you need to start using the MEXC cryptocurrency exchange. We have covered registration, funding methods, and key platform features. If you found this video useful, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can explore MEXC as well. Don't forget that the registration link is in the description. And exclusive bonuses await you when you use the promo code on the screen. Thank you for watching, happy trading, and see you in the next videos.